Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, May 21, 2024. The Factories Corporation of Jamaica, FCJ, has been commissioned to design and construct a nursery, dormitory, and other amenities for the Women's Center of Jamaica Foundation branch in St. Thomas. The FCJ will also adopt the facility. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement while giving his keynote address at the Women's Center's fundraising event on Saturday. He also revealed that a contribution of $10 million would go towards the construction of a dormitory for the center in Kingston.
The adolescents, the teenagers who have gotten pregnant, their home circumstances are such that they may leave home and get a reprieve in coming to the classes, but when they go back home, it's either uncomfortable or the family situation is such that it's just not cohesive.
Mr. Holness adds that $500,000 accumulated from late fees paid by cabinet ministers will be donated to the Women's Center Scholarship Fund. He says the Women's Center is a meaningful and successful social intervention program of the government and has been a cornerstone of hope and resilience for adolescent mothers. Since its establishment in 1978, more than 45,000 teen mothers have been assisted with continuing their education. The program has also aided in delaying repeat pregnancies through sexual and reproductive health education and enabled the reintegration of adolescent mothers into the formal school system or placement in another institution of learning.
We are investing in ensuring that our adolescents, our teenagers, get to fulfill their life opportunities and chances.
At the same function, it was also announced that 4 Memoranda of Understanding, MOU, are to be signed to strengthen the WCJF's capacity in the areas of education, health, and social services. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, says one MOU will be with the Ministry of Education and Youth. This will facilitate the permanent employment of teachers at the center to deliver the educational component of the program. Another will be signed with the Ministry of Labor and Social Security for adolescent mothers to benefit from PATH while enrolled at the center and upon reintegration back into the formal school system. The remaining 2 MOU will be with the Ministry of Health and Wellness. One will enable direct referrals of teen mothers to the Women's Center for enrollment, and the second is to allow the sharing of information on girls enrolled with the center between the Ministries of Culture and Health.
So we're signing an MOU so that when we go to get information on these pregnant teenagers, these girls, that we cannot be told that they cannot provide us with the information because of patient privacy, because it is information that we will need as we protect these young girls.
Minister Grange is urging stakeholders to report cases of abuse or incest to the Office of the Children's Advocate, who will then report it to the police. More than 500 residents of Fort Hill in Hellshire now have access to an improved supply of potable water. The result is from an investment of over $8 million for the construction of the Hellshire Phase 3 booster pump station. This is a collaboration between the National Water Commission, NWC, and the National Housing Trust, NHT. At the official commissioning of the system on Friday, Minister with responsibility for water, Senator Matthew Samuda, said the project was significant and demonstrated a response to the concerns of citizens. He revealed that in the coming months, infrastructure upgrades would be done for the Brayton and Hellshire communities.
We do not intend to go into the next drought season in this area with the particular infrastructural weaknesses that you have. So we're looking at how best to tailor that solution.
The Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, has welcomed a partnership that is offering aspiring mariners an opportunity for practical humanitarian experience. The CMU and US-based Global Support and Development, GSD, have launched their Marine Cadetship program, which will begin this summer. President of the CMU, Professor Andrew Spencer, says the humanitarian engagement will extend to the Caribbean.
Partnering with GSD, we are opening up a pipeline for our students to be able to get seat time, employment, but to also contribute to the community development that is a part of the ethos of GSD. We're very aligned. The CMU has always prided itself on building communities in Jamaica, throughout the rest of the Caribbean, and this gives us an opportunity to develop our own capacity and also for us to be a part of the resiliency effort of the GSD.
Dean of Marine and Nautical Studies, Captain Devon Newman, says the initiative is a step in the right direction.
This, we think it's another good opportunity for cadets in terms of being on board a different type of vessel where the crew and the efforts that are being made within this organization is emergency response in terms of in the Caribbean region, for example, where we're plagued with a lot of hurricanes.
And finally, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has reassigned 3 administrative duties with effect today, May 21. The changes will see Robert Morgan assuming responsibility for works in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. Mr. Morgan was previously in the Office of the Prime Minister with responsibility for information. That role has been assigned to Senator Dr. Dana Morris Dixon, who also maintains her responsibility for skills and digital transformation. The final change will see Senator Abka Fitz-Henley taking on the responsibility of Parliamentary Secretary in the Office of the Prime Minister. In a release last evening, Prime Minister Holness said the administration was steadfastly committed to fulfilling its 2020 mandate to transform Jamaica into a peaceful, productive, and prosperous nation. He said the adjustments would assist the administration to more efficiently and effectively deliver its policies and programs to the Jamaican people. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.